Aaron is saying that you are setting up a two-step funnel. Now, for those who know me, I have a framework called the two-step funnel framework. Which is we run ads at least with 2 advertisements running simultaneously. So we will have one advertisement targeting the fresh audience and the other one doing effective retargeting. And in between, we have a lot of mechanisms like the exclusion mechanism and all that to make sure your ads are constantly reaching audiences. First thing, fresh audiences, I mean. And secondly is your ads are constantly helping you to optimize for the best ROI, and you will save budget. You will not create ad fatigue. It's a very powerful framework that I've been using for thousands of students and my coaches from all around the world. So if you're new to this, go over to my YouTube channel and Google, and just on my YouTube channel, search for two-step funnel framework, and you'll be able to see some detailed explanation that I have done in my previous video. So go for that. Now, when it comes to two-step funnel, basically it's a very slightly more complex framework. So if you're not familiar, then go over to find a video first. And in the video itself, I will point you to some training that you can go through in order to implement the two-step funnel if you like the idea.